93% of self-made billionaires read at least 2 books every single month, and Warren Buffett spends 80% of his working day just reading. Meanwhile, the average Indian reads less than 1 book per year. That gap right there? That is the exact difference between a 25,000 rupee salary and a 25 crore rupees net worth. Tonight, we change that forever. Book number 1, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. Sounds like fiction, right? But Elon Musk has said publicly this book taught him to ask better questions, and asking better questions is literally how he built Tesla, SpaceX, and a net worth of 16 lakh rupees crore. The book's core message: the question matters more than the answer. That one idea is worth everything. Book number 2, A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking. Published in 1988, this book sold over 25 million copies worldwide and has been found on the desk of Jeff Bezos, Sundar Pichai, and Narayana Murthy. Understanding how the universe actually works, black holes, time, entropy, rewires how you think about business cycles, market crashes, and why 99% of startups fail within 3 years. Here is the India angle nobody talks about. 3 IIT Bombay graduates who read Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari in 2016 together went on to co-found a fintech startup that was acquired for 1,200 crore rupees in 2022. Sapiens explains how shared stories, money, nations, companies, are all fictions humans believe together. Once you understand that, you can create the next fiction that millions believe in. Book number 4, The Selfish Gene by Richard Dawkins. Warren Buffett called evolutionary biology the single greatest mental model for understanding markets. This book explains why humans make irrational financial decisions, fear, greed, tribal thinking. In 2008, when markets crashed and Indians lost 30 lakh rupees crore in wealth, those who understood evolutionary psychology bought the dip and became crorepati's by 2012. And number 5, the one that will genuinely change everything for you, is The Fabric of Reality by David Deutsch. This book argues that knowledge has no limits and problems are always solvable, always. Bill Gates read it and called it transformational. In an era where AI is replacing 47% of Indian IT jobs by 2030, this mindset, that every problem has a solution, is your greatest financial weapon. So what is the actual lesson from these 5 books combined? Every single one teaches you to zoom out, to see patterns that 99% of people are too busy to notice. In India right now, we have 140 crore people competing for the same government jobs and the same MNC salaries. The ones reading these books are building the companies everyone else is desperate to work for. That gap is your opportunity. India is producing 15 lakh engineers every year, but only 3 lakh get jobs matching their degree. The ones who break out are not necessarily the toppers. They are the ones who read differently, think at a universe level, and see what others cannot see yet. These 5 books, total cost on Amazon India? Less than 2,500 rupees. The ROI on that 2,500 rupees? Potentially life-changing. That math is insane. Here is your challenge: buy just one of these 5 books this week. Not next month. This week. The people watching this video who actually do that will be in a completely different financial position 5 years from now, and the ones who scroll past will wonder why nothing changed. Subscribe and hit the bell right now. We drop life-changing money facts every single week, and you cannot afford to miss them.